Hello, everybody. Welcome in your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, August 15th, 2025. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and about to have a great weekend as we wrap up the week here. It's been a busy one in the city of Fitchburg, and let's get you to the headlines as we head into the weekend. A couple of fun events happening this weekend. Big events happening. First, we start with Storytime in the Sun. We're very excited to share this fun activity will be happening this weekend. Get ready for Storytime in the Sun. Bilingual family fun on August 16th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. as the Friends of the Fitchburg Public Library will be bringing you the joy of books to life with a read out loud story time, both in English and Spanish, along with some fun activities and snacks for all ages this Saturday at McKee Farms Park. Weather looks like it's going to be pretty good, so stop on out from 10 a.m. to noon at McKee Farms Park. Plenty of parking, plenty of fun. And again, you can enjoy a nice story time in the park. Also happening in Fitchburg this weekend is the 2025 Agora Art Fair. It is back. The 17th annual Agora Art Fair is back this weekend. It is Saturday, August 16th, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Agora, 5500 East Trail Parkway. The street will be closed off, by the way, for the art fair. But nevertheless, over 100 artists from Wisconsin will be showcasing their goods and services and so much more. They'll also have live music, local food carts, local craft brew and wine garden set up, hands-on crafts for the kids, an art wind kite exhibit if there is wind, and there will be some wind tomorrow. But nevertheless, we hope you'll come out there. They have a great lineup of a whole bunch of different events happening throughout. And it's one of those that's free to attend, so you can come in free, you can listen to the music, check out the art, and then support local area businesses and artists from across the state. They're all from Wisconsin, which I think is pretty unique, and glad to have them back here in Fitchburg. And they have a full selection process of bringing everybody in, which I think is really cool. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we hope to see you out there. I'm going to be out there tomorrow. So say hi if you see. I'll see you out there. Badger Prairie Needs Network has an open house this weekend as they had their last build of the warehouse edition. They cut ribbon earlier this week, but this Sunday, August 17th from 1 to 4 p.m., you can come out and check out the new digs. It is pretty awesome. I was there for the ribbon cutting. It is amazing. It's from 1 to 4 p.m. Enjoy complimentary refreshments, self-guided building tour, meet the incredible volunteers. Over 1,000 volunteers serving there and above. Learn how to get involved and discover the services that we offer. And please bring a non-perishable food item to donate to the pantry. Every bit helps. They are serving more people than they ever have, and that number continues to grow. So please stop on out and donate food if you can as you come out for the event this Sunday. Urban League of Greater Madison and Thrivent Financial is putting on a financial seminar. This free seminar is to hopefully help you learn more about the financial journey. The event will be on Tuesday, August 19th from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Hub, 4th floor, 2352 South Park Street in Madison. You do need to register for this. Food will be provided. But you'll learn about smart investing, life insurance simplified, retirement planning, and value-based finances. Again, anybody can attend this. You do need to register. We'll share the link as we share the link to all of our stories through our YouTube page. And finally, the Wisconsin State Patrol educates drivers on the dangers of impaired driving. Drive Sober, Get Pulled Over campaign starts today as Wisconsin State Patrol is focusing on educating drivers about the dangers of impaired driving during the annual Drive Sober and Get Pulled Over campaign, which runs August 15th through September 1st. Special enforcement and education campaign unifies efforts from law enforcement agencies across the state to prevent impaired driving. Working together, law enforcement agencies across Wisconsin work year-round to keep impaired drivers off the road, with over 8,000 law enforcement officers across the state already trained in advanced roadside impairment driving enforcement. The Wisconsin State Patrol is continuing to work on to train all officers, inspectors, and troopers statewide, with more than 400 drug recognition experts in the state. Wisconsin has helped leading the nation in eliminating drug-impaired driving as well. Make a responsible choice when you head out for the weekend or any time. Remember to have multiple options, like you could take a bus, call a taxi, rideshare program, or a friend. Just don't drive. Don't let somebody get behind the wheel if you think they are impaired. And if you suspect an impaired driver, call 911. Have a fun and safe weekend, everybody.